Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. If you will be asked how relationships should be, for example, the relationship of a husband and a wife, what would that be like? Paano natin ito makikita? My dear brothers and sisters, today's readings supply a very important matter on this regard when we talk about relationships of couples and of peoples around us. The first reading speaks a lot of reality about relationship and about friendship. The book of Sirach enumerated some, and it was very on point on telling us, choose friends with the heart. Choose a friend who will be with you in good times and in bad. Not only friends who will be there during your days when you are happy, but also when days are so sad for you. Napaka-practical po at nagpapakatotoo lamang ang narinig po natin sa atin pong unang pagbasa. And likewise, when the Lord was asked about that bill of divorce, He responded why it was permitted then during the time of Moses. Jesus said, because of the hardness of your heart, He wrote or permitted that command. Kung meron po tayong isang basihan paano natin makikita ang relasyon, puhunan sa isang relasyon, mapaasawa, mapakaibigan o kanino man, ang isang busilak na puso at hindi isang matigas na puso. Sa isang relasyon, pabutihan ng puso at hindi patigasan ng puso. Relationships are realities where we can express true love, true compassion, true care in good times and in bad times. And we recall what Sirach said, katigasan ng puso ang isang taong iiwan ka, babaliwalain ka, o ipapahamak ka saan man mapunta ang iyong buhay. Every day, my dear brothers and sisters, form a loving heart, not a hardened heart. We have many experiences of relationships left and right and around us. At maging pamamaraan ito para magpadama tayo ng kabusilakan ng ating puso. Relasyon na palaging nagbibigay. Relasyon na palaging nagmamahal. Relasyon na hindi nang iiwan. Relasyon na palaging naririyan. At relasyon na tapat at laging mula sa puso ang lahat na ginagawa. Most of all, we pattern every form of relationship, how we embrace every relationship, to whom we all offer ourselves this day, to this Sacred Heart. And this Sacred Heart offers you and all of us, not a hardened heart, but the goodness of God's love.